Ngayon, kasama namin ni Cara Acevedo Ong, ang winning coach ng San Beda, Coach Edgar Baroga. Coach, congratulations for your second win dito in your first season under San Beda.
Congrats, Coach.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Coach, how different is this win? Because in the previous victory, you won in 5 sets. Ngayon naman, you win in straight sets. How different is the feeling to get this win in your first year as the head coach of SBU?
Well, sobrang appreciated and happy kasi ramdam ng bawat isa yung pagkapanalo namin since nung last time na medyo nag-struggle kami na sana mananalo na kami. This time natuto sila kahit papaano, nagkaroon sila ng moment na kailangan ipanalo nila ngayon kasi kailangan maipakita namin sa San Beda community na kaya naming manalo.
But going back to what you mentioned, Coach, yung nandun na kayo that was the perpetual match. You brought them to a deciding 5th set, pero nung 5th set, in your mind and your eyes, ano ba ang nangyari doon? Bakit parang kinapos yung Lady Red Spikers in that match?
Well, yun yung weakness ng team. So, pagdating sa ganung sitwasyon, nawawala sila. Feeling nila parang tapos na, panalo na kami. So, hindi na nila naisip na meron pang 4th set na pwede naming pagsikapan para ipanalo pa. So, yun yung nagiging problema ng new team or rebuilding kasi yun yung nakikita namin na weakness namin na ang mga bata talagang nagtitinginan pa, kailangan may even Angel kasi pumigay nung time na yun. So, nung mawala si Angel, totally nawala na kami.
Coach, so far, compared to yung last games, mas maganda yung resulta, mas maganda yung naging laro ng mga girls ngayon. Ano pa ang nakikita niyong room for improvement sa team?
Well, ang napansin ko na talagang dapat namin i-improve is yung lakas ng loob nila. So, kasi yung skills naman parang nandyan na, lumalabas na. Ang nagiging problema lang pag dumating yung part na nagkakamali sila, pakiramdam nila, nalalambot na sila, nawawala sila. So, sana maano nila yun, ma-overcome nila yun. So, pag nawala siguro yun, lalaban na rin kami kahit paano.
Coach, kanina tinitignan ko po yung statistics at nagulat kami ni Cara kasi San Beda, number 2 in terms of blocking in the NCAA. Is this something that you stress about in practice, yung blockings nyo? And do you know this? Are you aware that your team is actually ranked number 2 in terms of that department?
Wow, ngayon ko lang nalaman actually.
Ayun po, number 2 behind Mapua, yan, San Beda.
Wow, thank you. Kasi sinasabi ko sa kanila lagi na ang first offense is blockings. So, yun doon kami nagko-concentrate kahit na hindi kami masyadong matataas. Binibigyan ko sila ng extra effort to do that in our everyday everyday na nagti-training kami, inuuna namin ng blocking. So, medyo nagiging effective. Thank you.
Ngayon, Coach, yung mga fans and of course yung mga nag-o-observe sa NCAA, ang mga sinasabi nila is San Beda is an Angel Habacon-centric team. But today, nakita natin, the other players stepped up. De La Cruz got involved. Kagalawan, who had a painful shoulder, got involved. Molina was doing a good job. What can you say about the other players around Angel? Yung 11 new players nyo coming up big and of course yung mga holdovers.
To be honest, nung last 3 practices namin, pinuwesto ko sila in a different position. So sabi ko sa kanila, just in case na kailanganin yung tulong talaga, may magtitres, meron kasi lalo na pag walang receive. So kailangan
kailangan mag-adjust.
Kailangan meron kami 3 pwedeng pumalo na So naman nila, na-adapt naman nila kaagad na kita mo medyo maraming conversion ako kaming ginawa kanina.
Actually, Coach, napansin nga namin parang nag-iba-iba ka ng rotation, iba-iba ng spikers per set. Talagang binibigyan mo ng opportunity yung 11 rookies para mag-gain sila ng confidence.
So, multitasking sila.
Coach, eto, tinitignan namin ni Cara yung remaining schedule nyo. So your next match is JRU. And with all due respect to JRU, they've also been a struggling team this year. Just 1 win so far. So obviously, you have to prepare for them. And
Yes.
then Letran and Mapua,
Yeah.
your last 2 remaining matches. Sabi nga namin ni Kara, itong San Beda, there's still a chance to sneak into the Final Four or if ever, manggulo sa mga plano ng ibang teams. How are you preparing for these last 3 matches in the elimination round, Coach?
To be honest, ano namin yun, dream namin yun na makapasok dyan. So gagawin namin lahat. Siguro more practice pa and siguro isa-isa namin sila kung paano yung gagawin nila. So through that, lumalakas yung loob nila eh. Kaya hopefully makuha namin.
All right, Coach, before you get on with your team, I'm sure maraming nanonood ngayon na gusto mong batiin.
Yeah, the last time nung
Yes, Coach.
may mga nagtampo.
Coach, you have all the time in
Yes.
the world, Coach. Go ahead. Marami tayong oras ngayon.
Okay, yung mga nagtampo ko nga, mga ka-gold body ko, yung Sunriser sa Philippine Navy, mga gold bodies ko. Yan, binati ko na kayo. And of course, yung Exodus cycling team, Engineer Pruto and Father Pascal, narito kami ngayon, binabati ka namin. And of course, the Rotary Club of Parañaque East. And of course, yung mother ko syempre, ang number 1 fan ko, mother ko. At yung wife ko na laging nandyan. Ganun na rin yung mga kapatid ko sa Taytay Rizal.
Okay.
Yun lang. At syempre, yung San Beda community, alam mo naman yan, sobrang very supportive. Yung mga alumni. And yung Marinera. Thank you, Marinera, for always there to support our team. Thank you.
Kara, busy ni Coach.
Oo
May
nga
golf
eh.
buddies,
May
may
cycling.
cycling,
Oo.
Rotary pa.
Grabe.
Coach, meron ding nag-message sa amin ni Kara kanina si Kyra daw.
Oo.
Mukhang nakalimutan mo ata,
Oo
Coach.
nga.
Talagang sinadya kong kalimutan. Kasi nagpuyat siya eh. Tapos hindi nakasama.
Tutok na tutok siya sa
Kyra.
game kanina eh.
Nagpupuyat ka pala, Kyra. Nako. Coach Edgar Baroga, baka may nakalimutan ka pa. Siguraduhin na natin, Coach.
Yeah, syempre yung ICC family, NU family, kumusta kayo? And dun sa palaro, ready na kami dun sa Cebu. See you, Cebu.
Yan. Okay, Coach Edgar Baroga. Coach,
Thank you.
congratulations on win number
again,
2.
Coach.
Thank you.
Coach
Thank you.
Edgar Baroga, winning coach for today, representing San Beda University. Ngayon naman kasama ni Stephanie Benito, ang team captain na si Max Tayag.